Welcome to our Colgate Toothpaste factory. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Colgate toothpaste is made, from raw ingredients to the sealed tube you use every morning.
Casings. Large storage silos hold pharmaceutical-grade calcium carbonate, the primary abrasive in Colgate toothpaste. Sodium fluoride arrives in sealed, specially labeled containers. This critical ingredient requires careful handling. Large stainless steel tanks store sorbitol and glycerin, humectant ingredients that keep Colgate toothpaste moist and smooth. Hydrated silica, a key thickening and abrasive agent for Colgate toothpaste, arrives and is stored. This fine powder enhances texture and cleaning.
Những sự biến phim Win sẽ được chụp đi hàn tiếp rõ, liệt thành khâu ra trả thể, from phản sản sọn gà đi có năng.
Carboxymethylcellulose and other binding agents are stored for Colgate toothpaste production.
ตอกสักสับตอบดอนบลับเพื่อซื้อกับสัตว์คำสอจำสับเป็นซอนมาที่เป็นสุพรีบสุพลันเป็นกันปรับดังสัมผัสये वो पता है चल पता तेरी साथ के तो चलते हैं obviously आपके सांस पर भी इडियम तेसी का भिंडी विराट की पे सकती है और वो सिर्फ एनी
Is the sorbitol for batch SC235B ready?
Yes, weighed and verified. Sodium fluoride is next.
Every ingredient has been tested, approved, and precisely measured according to the Colgate toothpaste formula.
And oilless. Before each Colgate toothpaste batch, mixing vessels undergo thorough preparation. Workers
Sorbitol and glycerin are pumped into the mixing vessel, blending with the water base. These humectants will keep the toothpaste moist and prevent drying.
Powdered binding inks are carefully dispersed into the liquid mixture for Colgate toothpaste. A specialized
Calcium carbonate and hydrated silica are gradually added to the Colgate toothpaste mixture. These fine powders provide gentle tooth cleaning action. Sodium fluoride, the cavity-fighting active ingredient, is precisely added to the Colgate toothpaste mixture.
Sodium lauryl sulfate is added to provide Colgate toothpaste satisfying foam during brushing. The surfactant is carefully incorporated to achieve optimal foaming.
High shear homogenizing is further refined and make expect to silky smoothness.
Mixing vessel temperature is carefully controlled throughout Colgate toothpaste production. Jacketed vessels with circulating coolant prevent heat buildup.
अब गन्ने से कौन थी सकना है और हम इसका भी क्लिक सकराते हैं इस साथ से पार्सलिंग 3 बॉस जांच होते हैं
Testing complete. Batch approved for filling.
Carefully blended and quality verified, our Colgate toothpaste now flows toward the tube filling lines. Here Every sealed Colgate toothpaste tube receives inkjet-printed production codes, batch numbers, manufacturing dates, and
Every completed Colgate toothpaste tube passes through sensitive metal detectors. The system detects any metallic contamination.
Every Colgate toothpaste tube precisely filled with Colgate toothpaste, carefully sealed and thoroughly inspected.
every sealed case of Colgate toothpaste tubes passes through weight verification. Carefully packed and efficiently palletized, our Colgate toothpaste tubes now begin their journey to stores worldwide.
This laboratory ensures every Colgate toothpaste tube meets exacting quality standards.
Specialized testing verifies fluoride concentration in finished Colgate toothpaste from filled tubes.
Microbiological testing ensures Colgate toothpaste in tubes is free from harmful microorganisms. Samples are tested for bacteria, yeast, and mold.
The panel ensures every Colgate toothpaste tube delivers the expected brushing experience.
Testing verifies Colgate toothpaste tube performance. Seal strength testing ensures Colgate tubes remain sealed during distribution. Drop tests verify Colgate tube durability.
Reviewing complete Colgate toothpaste tube batch records before product release. Production parameters and test results verified. Approved for distribution.
Colgate toothpaste tubes meet the highest regulatory standards worldwide.
Colgate, recommended by healthcare professionals for superior cavity protection. Find it wherever you shop for oral health.
Here you go, sweeties. Time to brush with your Colgate.